Today I'm gonna try and recreate a burger that I had at a diner probably 20 years ago, a diner that's long gone. I don't even remember the name. So I fired up the Weber Kettle. I've got my new Arteflame Griddle on there, and we're gonna be grilling up some Kobe beef and making a Baja Burger. So first thing I need to do on this Arteflame Griddle, which is just awesome, you have this center insert where you can do direct grilling, and you have this 1/4 inch thick carbon steel griddle all the way around the outside. I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I just decided to go ahead and pick it up. So we're gonna go ahead and grill up a chili pepper and some mango directly on the center here. This is gonna be for part of a salsa we're doing. It's going to top this burger. Just a simple salsa. Just want to give these a nice little char here. And that center grill grate is removable, so if you want to add more charcoal, you can. Looking good. Now that chili pepper was from a can, so it was already peeled. I just want to get a little more color on it. All right, let's go ahead and get this off and make our salsa. So all I want to do here is take these peppers or mango, and there's still seeds in there. I'm not worried about that. If you want to remove the seeds, go ahead. Didn't want to cook these down until they were mushy. All right, I have a bowl here with about 1/4 of a red onion that's been diced up. I'm gonna add our mango and our chili pepper to this. We're just gonna mix this up. All right, that looks good. Now I wanna make my Chipotle lime mayo. So for this, I'm starting with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. To this, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of some Chipotle chili peppers that have been in adobo sauce. Now about a teaspoon of lime zest. We're gonna mix this all together. Take a little taste. Really nice smokiness from those chipotles. All right, this is ready. Let's get our burgers going. So I'm gonna be using the hot section of the griddle here. If you noticed, I put charcoal on about half of it. So we have sort of a cooler zone on the other side, a really hot zone, and that's where we're gonna make these burgers. Gonna hit these with a little bit of salt and pepper. It's a mixture of kosher salt and cracked black pepper. While those are going, I want to get my bun on to toast over on the cooler side. The bun is looking good there. Give our burgers a turn. Good looking crust on those. I'm gonna put some grated cotija cheese on one of these patties right now. Yeah, we're gonna lose some cheese, but oh well. We'll just scoop it back on top. Get a nice little crust on it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and stack these burgers now, and the heat from this one is gonna help melt that cheese. We'll let that go for just a minute. All right, let's get our patties off and start building this Baja Burger. So one of the things we're gonna be putting on this Baja Burger is some avocado. So I just wanna go ahead and slice this avocado up. I already removed it from the skin. I just have the skin sitting on top to keep it from turning brown. Extra little piece there. And I just wanna cut some long slices. Just set these aside for a moment. Give my board a quick wipe, and let's start building this burger. First thing, I want to get a little bit of that Chipotle mayo on our bottom bun. Not too much here. I want to get our avocado on here. Now we're going to get our double burger on here. Now some of our mango chili salsa. And some of it falls, so what? Well, that's working out well. Want to get some more of that mayo on our top bun now, our Chipotle mayo. And that should glue some of this salsa to the top here. There we go, our Kobe beef Baja Burger with a ton of mango chili salsa all around it. That's looking good. It's time to taste. All right, let's cut this bad boy in half. Gotta fight the flies here today. That is looking good to me. All right, I'm going in. That is one fine burger with a side of salsa. I know a lot of the salsa fell off, but oh man, this is good. You get an immediate nice hit from those peppers, the chipotles and that pepper we seared to put in the salsa, just perfect. Super beefy taste from that Kobe beef. You could make this with any kind of beef and it'd be terrific, but that Kobe is a nice treat. That cotija cheese is so nice because it has a really good saltiness to it. I just love that. And as far as cooking burgers, that Arteflame Griddle is great. I love that thing. I will definitely be cooking on that a lot. So this was my recreation of a burger I had 20 years ago at a diner whose name I can't remember, which is probably gone by now. It's pretty close to what I had. In fact, with that Kobe beef edition, I think it's probably better. Yeah, definitely better.